Right now you can see a beautiful short video that I have made from a long video. So I will show you how to create this type of short video, so you have to stick with me to see in detail. So first of all, you have to tap on the new projects. So I'm gonna import the long video, then I will show you how to make shorts just from it. So this is the long video. Now at the bottom part you can see ratio. Just tap on the ratio button. Now select 9:16. Okay, now tap on the video. Now you have to just crop it, scroll down until you find the option edit. Here it is. Tap on the edit button, then go to the crop button. Just crop it to like 1:1, then zoom it, reverse zoom it. Okay, like that. You can also set it, then check mark, then adjust it by your 2 fingers. Go back. Now you have to go to the background so that you have a good canvas. So you can see a canvas button here. Tap on canvas. You can use the blur one if you want, or if you want you can add any color like that, as well as there are many others background. You can also upload your custom one. Okay, that depends on you. So in this case I'm gonna use the blur one. I think it looks perfect. Now you can just add any text from here. Just tap on the text, then tap on add text. Go to the style, select any of it, something like that, and add your text like be forming, something like that. It depends on your topic. Zoom it. Now place it here according to the suggested frame. That's it. Then extend it up to that particular frame. Okay, then just delete the other portion that you don't need. Okay, then adjust this timeline. Okay, that's it. You can also add the music if you want. Just go to the audio button from here, go to the sounds, and you can go to your file and you can add any music, or you can add any beats from here. You can see the suggested one. So that's how easily you can do it, and you have to just tap on the upward arrow button from the top right corner. Here it is, and that's how easily you can just export it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.